Hi girly pops, today I'll be doing an underarm wax using Tickled Pink by Sexy Smooth Wax. And very quickly, I'd like to thank them for being so kind enough to send me some of their wax. Okay, but to start off, can we please admire how beautiful this hot pink color is? Like, oh my gosh, if I was a wax, that would be me right there. This was my client's first time ever waxing her underarms, so her hair was pretty short and it was very coarse. So I did notice immediately that this wax applies very thinly on the skin, so I will suggest that you're layering your strips just to avoid any breakage. That first strip did pick up almost the entire hair. I am doing here cleanup strips just to pick up any stubborn hairs that were left behind. And as you guys can see here, my girl was just chilling the entire time, no flinching or anything. So clearly, this wax is very gentle on the skin. And here I'm just applying some aloe vera gel just to soothe the skin, and we're all done. I absolutely did love this wax. I approve.